I am going to discuss about the first come first serve algorithm. What is first come first serve scheduling? It is one of the simplest scheduling algorithm. As the name implies, the process and executes in the order of their arrival in the ready queue, which means the process that enters the ready queue first gets the CPU first. First come first serve is a non-preemptive scheduling algorithm. Therefore, once a process gets the CPU, it remains the control of CPU until it blocks or terminates. Let's take an example of it. For the process listed in the table, draw a Gantt chart illustrating their execution using first come first serve technique and calculate average turnaround time and average waiting time. These fields are given: process, which are A, B, C, D, arrival time 0, 1, 2, 3, and processing time, that is 8, 4, 9, 5. So as I say, first we should draw a Gantt chart. The first process is 0, A. Here I should write A, which works from 0 to 8. Then process B has come. B has taken the processing time 4. We should go by adding the processing time from the previous and the present. Then now B has process time 4. We should add 4 plus 8, which is 12. Then has process C come. C has come. C has taken processing time 9. We should add 12 plus 9, which is 21. And then comes D. And the processing time of D is 5. By adding 5 and 21, we get 26. Now, the formula of turnaround time is final finish time minus arrival time. Which is the final finish time? The final finish time is 0, 8, 12, 21 and 26. Final finish time means when the process has finished their work. So, turnaround time equals to final finish time minus arrival time. So, I am writing the processes A, B, C, D. Final finish time of A is 8 and the arrival time is also given in the question. 8 minus 0 equal to 8. Final finish time of B, that is 12, and the arrival time is 1, that is 11. Final finish time of C is 21 and the arrival time is 2. By subtracting, we get 19. The final finish time of D is 26 and the arrival time of it is 3. And subtracting this, we get 23. Now, here the question have mentioned average turnaround time. We all know how average time can be calculated. That is average turnaround time is we should add all the turnaround time of the process A, B, C, D, that is 8, 11 plus 19 plus 23 with the number of process, that is 4 process there are A, B, C, D. We should divide it by the 4 because of there is 4 process. And now by calculating this we will get the answer, which is 15.25. This is our average turnaround time. Now we have to also calculate average waiting time. What is waiting time? Waiting time equals to turnaround time minus CPU burst time, or we can say the processing time. The CPU burst time is equivalent to the processing time, that is waiting time equals to turnaround time minus CPU burst time or processing time. So we have to calculate the waiting time of process A. The turnaround time is 8 minus the processing time is 8. 8 minus 8, that is 0. Then comes process B. The turnaround time is 11 minus the processing time is 4. By calculating it is 7. Then comes process C. Turnaround time is 19 and the processing time or CPU burst time is 9, that is 10, and then comes D. The turnaround time, that is 23, minus the processing time is 5, minus 5, that is 18. Now we get the waiting time, and the question is average waiting time. Sorry, I have very less space, so I am calculating the average waiting time here. Average waiting time, it is as same as the average turnaround time equals to the all waiting time of the processes, that is 0, 7, 10 and 18. We should add it, 0 plus 7 plus 10 plus 18, and we will divide it with the number of processes, that is A, B, C, D, which is 4. By calculating this, we will get the average waiting time, that is 8.75. Now we have get the average waiting time and the average turnaround time. This is what we have to calculate in the question. These are the answers. This is the process of calculating first come first serve scheduling. I hope that many doubts has been cleared. Thank you so much for watching.